would take you down. If I had it my way, I would turn you out. And if my body had a say, I would come again. Scared of what I might say, 'cause I'm at the edge. And our eyes are crossed and paths across the room.